Okay, hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing? How is today? How is everyone over there doing? How are you doing? Be here for yet another as we look so be for yet another session. So please, you almost let us get started. Okay, for the new ones that are joining in for the very first time, you're warmly welcome in chat section. Talk to me. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you have to say. Okay, so with all introduction, I'm Lena. So please come through. Let me see. Let me know what you think. Tell me about trading. Tell me about the chat. What do you think about realizing market that simply gives us a chance to improve where we are not become. Ruth, you are most welcome. Have you? You are my number one to join in. Happy to have you. Always have you around. Subway, hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you. Okay, Chinedu. Hi, well, amazing. Okay, so here is your girl Lena today for yet another beautiful session. Yes, trust me, I'm so happy to see you around. It has been long, really, it has been long, but I'm always welcome. Happy to see come, so you're most welcome. We are happy to have you around. Okay, Alessandro, hi Alessandro, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. I'm also excited for today. I don't know what it's going to be like, but I'm believing for the very best. I'm here for positivity and definitely sort of how it's all going about. Like, well, hope you're doing all right. Thank you for coming. Okay, that well. Hope you are well. Happy people join in more so in the chat section. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. Okay, that is Jojo over there. Hi, how are you? Hope you are amazing. Happy to have you around. Kevin is saying hi, everyone. Hi, Kevin. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Neil. Oh my goodness. First of all, happy to have you around. Excited to see you joining in for yet another session. Thank you very much for the compliment. I receive it. Thank you so much. Okay, then okay, Jojo, we are well. We are well. Hope you are well yourself too. Whenever everyone is fine, it makes me feel happy, feel overjoyed, feel excited. And definitely in the end, you find that the session is going amazing. Okay, we have Uzochu. Okay, Uzochu. Can I donate 300? I want to join the contest with you. Okay, so for the donations, my friend was asking about sending in 300 US dollars, please. For the donations, I am strictly and kindly receiving 350 US dollars. That is the minimum. Okay, so kindly make it to that and then you can donate. Okay. Owen, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Okay, so Owen, as I was saying, you're most welcome. Happy to see you around. Thank you for joining in. Lori over there, I'm seeing you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for always dropping in a message, for always sending a message, for always joining Lena. I do appreciate you. Alessandro, market looks interesting today. Okay, that is a very beautiful observation. Let us come through with our different observations and we see what do we think. What do we think about today's market? Let us trade together. Let us um, get involved in the market as we see how it's all going to play out. Mentalizer, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. You are very fine. Okay. I see you. I see you, Mentalizer. You are always appreciated. Lorenzo. Okay, Lorenzo, who for cashing tonight. Ready, and I believe most of us, or all of us, are for cashing in. Okay, so thank you very much. Happy to have you around, Lorenzo, for yet another session. Yeah, thank you very much. Your hi, you hope you are well. Gen Z over there. Hope you're doing amazing. Okay, Coffee. Hi, how are you? How are you doing, my dear Coffee? Happy to see you around. Happy to have you around. Always so happy to see you. Just know that. Okay, Alessandro over there. Lack more. Okay, then luxurious. I appreciate you guys so much. To each and every one of you, thank you very much for always coming through. For the new ones, you're most welcome. Happy to have you around. Excited more of this journey with you. Please like, keep it keep it our focus, and definitely we look out for the profits and the wins. So you're almost welcome. Happy to have you on this session. Step into it as we are already, and it's all going to play out. Your brand, you see, that is what I have today. 500 US dollars. That is the amount. 15 seconds. My time expiry. That is my expiry. Ooh, Natasha. Hi, Natasha. How are you doing? How are you doing? It has been the longest time. Where have you been, anyways? Let me hope you have been okay. Let me hope you have been amazing because to me, that is the most important thing. And let me hope definitely all is well with you. But I've missed you so much. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining us. station. Okay, so alligator indicator as our main indicator, and like I keep explaining, whenever we think about the alligator indicator and the market indicator, we are definitely looking at the direction of the market. What direction is the market taking? These two help us in determining the market direction. Then, if we are in that particular direction, how strong is it? Is it safe for us to place some trades? Is it in consolidation, setting aside with consolidation way? That is when we do not tamper with the market. This has to be as we introduce, just like any other say business job, anything that we do to make money out of, there are some losses that we incur. All right, so even in trading, I cannot tell you that we are going to move on a smooth road. Definitely, there are some losses that we incur. There are some disturbances you find and you're like, oh my goodness, this is the end of it all. I'm going to stop here. But if you are someone like me, you are determined. You are determined. You take a rest, then no one pushes you back into the market. You take a rest, you clear your mind, and then you dive straight into the market. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around for this new session. We are positive. We are looking at wins. We are excited to make profits for the day. Neil over there, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Happy to have you around. Thank you guys for keeping the chat section active, educative. I do appreciate you so much. Video track, I have not seen you today. The Samike, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I need to see you come through. Thank you for always sticking around. Thank you for always coming through. Okay, then we are having I'm saying, okay, Jojo, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I think about the fact that we cannot avoid losses. What we say, we are looking at our win and our loss. That is 50. I should put it at that percentage. We are looking at 50 profit, 50 loss, because in binary options trading, you're either winning or you're losing. No any other way around it. So if we are having that on our table, what do we do next? What we do next is sit down, understand what exactly we are supposed to do. I said we have two things, two important, let me call them items that we are looking at. That is the indicators and then the candlestick patterns. So what happens? Let us get knowledge on the indicators. How do we use these indicators? How do they work? Ever since I started streaming, I've been using the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator, two indicators. Okay, so the reason as to why I'm sticking to those, there are very many others. There are very, very many other indicators that I can promise you. We all know that, okay? At least for people that have traded before, unless you are a beginner, you could not know. But we have a number of So you have a number of indicators. So we have to look through and be like, okay, what will be best for me in my trend continuation? Okay, what will be easy for me to read on my charts? We look at all those different things before we sit down and we are like, let me enter into the market. If we are looking at these indicators, I use alligator indicator. To me, it's very easy. MACD is very easy, but we have the zigzag, we have the RSI, we have the fracture. There are a number of them. Okay, the ones that I'm mentioning are the ones that I use more often. Trainees are settling down to start trading. You have to have certain indicators that you feel confident in. That if I'm to determine the direction of this market, if I'm to determine the momentum, all right, the momentum, what am I supposed to look at? What am I supposed to put into consideration? What will be easy for me to do that? Then now after that we come to the candlestick patterns. We need to have the knowledge about these candles as you see them coming. We have the engulfing candles, we have the closing above candles, the closing below candles. We have a number of candles. We have the uh, the hammer, we have the star, there are a number of them. So when you look at the chart here, know that whenever I see such a candle, what should I expect? What should I do about it? Should I prepare to get into the market? Should I wait? And definitely, we basically, if you are to trade on a candle close, wait for it to fast close. Do not wait, do not look at it and assume that it's going to close, then you open a trade. First wait for it to close, then you place in a trade. Just be sure, be sure. Okay, so with that knowledge, risk management is also very, very important. Very, very important. So we have risk management, having the knowledge, patience, discipline, having a plan, emotional control. There are a number of things that we can lay out on paper for us to keep following such that we become better. Okay, right. So that is how I can talk about it. Minimizing losses. The losses will always be there, that's the truth. But how do we minimize them? How do we take them from the 50%? Remember, I told you it is 50-50. You're either winning or you're losing. So if it is at 50-50, what do we do next? How do we reduce these losses and put them and change it to profits? Okay, so we look at all those things and then we become better traders. Okay, so I'm trying to trade in at the same time. I'm trying to organize my donations here, and we are already getting into it. Whenever we are going to have the donations, you definitely have a list on your chart over there. You are able to see Lena is trading for for Denson. Lena is trading for Lawson. We trade together. Okay. Has this person made a profit? Has the other person made a loss? Like that. It's all the way transparent. Not doing anything behind curtains. No, 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 I do not do that. So here we are, yet with the donations. Let us see how today is going to go. But I believe and I know all is going to be on the positive and on the winning side. Okay, so that is Denson, 350 US dollars. We are looking at 5 items. Now we are into it to make some money for us. Okay, let us get into it. Let us get into it and we see how our 5 attempts will go about. Okay, so here. Okay, so that is our first home and relax. Okay, we prepare to get into the second attempt. Right. Beautiful. So that is for our second attempt. We have three more to go. For the people that are just coming in, you're most welcome. I'm really so happy to have you around, excited to be with you for yet this new and amazing session. Right about now, we are into our donations and let us see how to make some profits over here and some wins as well. Go over here. Yes. Okay, so that is a plus for our third attempt. So we have two more to go. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, that is it. That is it. That is amazing. And we have our first win. Our first win. 5 items, 350 US dollars. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, let me read through to Dennison's wallet. Okay, that is a table wallet. Okay, so as we can have it here, focused, but still in the chat section, the vibe is still high. Okay, so that is 1,500 US dollars, 3 items. That is for module likes. Some mic comes through. Hi, how are you doing? How are you doing? I've been here asking about you. Let me hope you're well. How is everyone doing that side? Let me hope each and everyone is doing amazing. Over here, Lena is doing great. Thank you very much. And for the greetings all the way from Ghana, I receive them. We receive them as the Lena Trading family. We receive your greetings and trust me, we appreciate you so much. Thank you for coming through always. Thank you for joining in. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Okay, so greetings to those lovely people in Ghana over there. I really do appreciate. Okay, I'm seeing Jojo over there. I definitely we get so focused when it comes to trading. I get so focused and definitely with all that profits come through. Profits come through. Thank you for your active participation in the chat section. I appreciate you. I really do appreciate you. I am not distracting you. We are getting there. We are getting there. Like I keep saying, this is a year for us things to become better in our trading journey. So definitely as I do placing trades, as I trade for the different people that send in their donations, please, the focus is there. But at the same time, let us enjoy a little. Okay, so the focus, the vibes, the positivity, we are all into it. No restrictions at all. All right. As Lena is focusing here on the trades, let us have some vibe laid up in the chat section over there. So for the new people that are just joining in, you're most welcome. Happy to have you around. Please stick around by liking and subscribing. Let us stick around. We keep it going. We see how everything will come through. Okay, so I'm just working on something small here. Then we shall proceed with our donations. As you can see, a module X is our next. But let me first do something small here. Then we proceed. Thank you, Jojo, for that. I really do appreciate you. Luxurious, you are most welcome. You're most welcome. It's Samil. Hi, Samil. How are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. Hi, Jean. How are you doing? Hope you are amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Jean. Thank you very much. Abbas over there, I see you all the way from Nigeria. I see you. I appreciate you. Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for always coming through. Panisha, I see you over there. Hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Carl, hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Happy to have you around. Chuku, that is Chuku Nonso. Hi, how are you, my dear? Thank you for always coming through. I do appreciate you. Kyle, hi Kyle, how are you? How are you? Abdullah over there, hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Okay, I apologize for um, the delay in the trades, but just working on something small such that we have a smooth run through with our donations. So kindly be patient with me. Let's keep active in the chat section. Let me know how you're doing, how everything is going as we get back into our donations. Okay, so joining a Telegram. Sorry, joining Telegram. That is please go in my YouTube bio. The Telegram link is over there. Subscribe, then we shall be in. Okay, so do that and we shall be together. Lily, hi Lily, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you for yet another session. Button, hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Alvaro, hi, how are you? How are you? Thank you for coming through. And let us keep it going. We keep it interesting. Oh, look at that. Button all the way from Bangladesh. Amazing to have you around. So excited to see you come through. Thank you very, very much for joining us, for sending in a message, for chatting with us. Okay. Okay, we get, let's see. Here's a plus. Okay, that is what we are talking about. That is what we are talking about. Giving us a plus is all we need. Okay. Okay, so allow me withdraw. Allow me withdraw to Modulex wallet. Then we keep it going. That was amazing. He opted for just 3 atoms, and then we have a plus. Look at that. One for the Lucas, hi Lucas, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Okay, Antoine, that is 350 US dollars for atoms. Owen, hi Owen, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for the risk. Thank you for the risk, and definitely, I believe it's worth it. I believe it's worth it. Okay, there comes a Kabir. Hi, how are you? All the way from Bangladesh. All right, all the way from Bangladesh. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. I believe you are the second person today from Bangladesh. Thank you for coming through. People, thank you for loving me. Thank you for always sticking around. Happy to have you around, and definitely I'm so excited to go about these sessions. Thank you very, very much. Okay, so Antoine, for attempts, that is what we are having, and we have our first win. So that simply means we have 3 minutes to go. Okay. Ooh, ooh. So sorry. So sorry, so sorry. That is for Antoine. My sincere apologies. So sorry for the loss. I'm really so sorry about that. Ambrose, hi Ambrose, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Alright, so next we have 1,000. That is 1,500 US dollars, 1,000. Okay, look at that. We opted for one patent, that is for Lawson, and we have a plus. We have a win over there. Congratulations to Lawson. Okay, so for Lawson, that is it to the wallet. Congratulations. This is open your eyes. Okay, next we have Luxurious. Luxurious, that is 350 US dollars. 2 items. You say this song. Nope, not a good option for us. Let's give it one more look and goodbye. Look at that. Look at that. So we have one more attempt. One more attempt. Let us see. Say best. These cups for luxurious solutions. opted for two versions, and here we have them. Okay, Luxurious, that is a Bitcoin wallet. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Jen. And Ambrose, please say about that. But you, if I'm offline, please leave a message there. I can always respond when I'm online, alright? But I'm sorry about that. Okay. Congratulations, Luxurious, and definitely thank you for trusting me. Thank you for sending in money for the donations. Always, I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. So that is for our first list. Let us get straight into the next list. What time frame is best? That is a Gen Z over there. The fact that I am a scalper in my binary options trading, I go for the smaller ones. That's why you see I'm at 15 seconds. For me, 15 seconds is good and it is my best. most conversations at the live sessions when I put it at that time, such that I'm able to have very many trades happening. Okay, but we have 5 seconds, 15 to 1 minute, 2 minutes as well, depending. But on my end, I would say definitely the 50 cents does best for me. It does magic for me. Phantomath, $650. We are taking it for 2 items. How to show? Thank you, Lorenzo. Thank you very much. Neil over there, I do appreciate you. I really appreciate you. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for the love, for the support. I appreciate you so much. Okay, all right. We are into it. Just 2 items. In simple terms, just 2 wins. Okay, we have the first one. Let us get into the second one. Okay, what do we have over here? That is loss. That is a loss on our second item. Phantomas, we have made a loss. Sincere apologies. My sincere apologies. I hate seeing losses. I hate seeing losses. But you find that the fact that we cannot predict the market, sorry. That's $3, 5 We have managed our first attempt, our first win. 4 more to go. Hassan, hi Hassan, how are you doing? Hope you well. You are amazing. You have found us in and right over here. We are into our games, and so far so good. The market is on our side. So let us get it going. We are into our second attempt for shift. So sorry. I'm so sorry. So 800 Radcliffe. Okay, so we are into it right about now. Let us see. Okay, right about now, let us get back on our feet. We had some losses, but let us focus, get back on our feet, and we have profits. Because at the end of the day, that is our main goal over here. So, congratulations to Radcliffe. Okay, that is a table wallet for Radcliffe. Next we have okay, that is same over there. $350 for agents. Okay, that is for our first attempt. We have three more to go. Alessandra, okay, you know that is Ambrose over there. Okay, so it's my YouTube bio. There is a click on it. Steps to follow. Obviously, I ask your name to donate. Meaning wallet, or your digital wallet, and that's it. It's simple, but definitely we have to know about risk management. Do not send in your last savings, right? Because as we see, so sorry about that. Same. Oh goodness. Sorry about that. Same. Okay, so as I was saying, risk management very important. Sending something that you are willing to lose, right? Some people is see it. That is very important, and as one of my number one number one advice to anyone sending in the donations. Because at the end of the day, I do not want you to get frustrated. I do not want you to hate Lena because you made a loss on your savings. Okay. So that's how easy the steps are. Follow that, and we shall be able to trade together here. Okay, Robin, 600 US dollars to your attempts. Congratulations to Violet. Okay, so there we have one more attempt for a lady to go. So sorry about that. So sorry about really. Okay, so that is the first attempt. We have one more to go. Goodness. So say about that. Since we have that. Initially, 300 US dollars, one attempt. Okay, we are in for one attempt. the first attempt we have made a loss. We give it one more try and we see. We have so sorry about that. My sincere apologies. Okay, so that will be it for the donations. For today's donations, thank you very much. Okay, so that is my sincere apologies. Like Kevin said, time it will be better. Okay, next time it will be. So sorry about today. Okay, so for the people that were asking about the donations, please check in my YouTube bio. That is reflections. Sit down with yourself. If you are convinced donation, do so. Please do so, and I will be able to receive it. The steps are quite very easy. Your name, the amount, $150 US. How many wins do your donation? That is the next step. Then after that, please send in your crypto wallet. That is the wallet where that is the wallet where I transfer to your profits. So that will be it for today, and